Rift Valley fever is actually a zoonotic disease, which means it's a disease that we can get from which affect animals, which also can affect human beings. And it is specifically a vector-borne disease, but a human being can get it by interacting or getting into contact with the animal which is affected, especially through the abortion, what we call the abortion. So currently we do have a threat of Rift Valley fever in Isiolo County, following the confirmation of cases in Marsabit, which is bordering Isiolo. And that some samples which were collected from the animals in Isiolo were found to be having the virus in circulation. So currently we have a threat of Rift Valley fever.
Will help this county to maintain health on the ground at the village level, at the ward level, and we shall also support the county and sub-counties. We don't have enough resource to employ every livestock officer or a health officer, but with you on the ground, a lot of things can be done to support the county and also support the health of our livestock and animals. Please be more effective and disturb us. Hata usiku mpige simu.
Na mimi nimefurahishwa na hii masomo. Sijawahi tena kupata masomo kama hii. Sasa sisi mbele sisi CHV, sisi kazi yetu ni kuangalia tu binadamu. Kuangalia afya ya mama, afya ya mtoto, lakini mifugo hata tukiona hapo ikikufa si kazi yetu hiyo. Tunawachana naye. Lakini kwa ile mafundisho tumepata leo hapa, tumesoma ya kwamba kazi yetu yote ni moja. Kazi ya wanyama, kazi ya binadamu na kazi ya mazingira.